Y has three sounds. The first two sounds are vowel sounds and the third sound is a consonant sound. E, I, E, I, E, T, I, N, E, tiny. J, E, L, E, jelly. B, N, E, bunny. I, F, L, I, fly. K, R, I, cry. F, R, I, fry. Y, A, D, yard. AR is a multiple phonogram sounding A. Y, A, D, yard. O, yo-yo. Y, A, k, yak.